Hey guys, if you haven't gotten any updates like FSD 14.3 or 3.1 or 3.2, any of those updates for FSD, or you haven't gotten the spring update, well, let me tell you that you're not alone. There are a lot of people aren't getting this, and there are some things you can do to get it. And one thing I know for sure will help. Let's take a look at these things and see what you can do. And I promise there is one thing for sure that I think will actually help, but it may not be actually achievable. First, this is the software tracker from stats.tessie.com. And if you haven't gotten any of the updates, like as you can see here, this 2026.14 came out on April 15th. That was the first spring release update. Then out came 14.1, 2026 14.1 on April 17th. And then 2026 14.2 came out April 22nd. And then last, today, 2026 14.3 came out today. And so you can see this is what's got the spring update in it. So that just came out today, and you can see like all these other versions, this only made it to 20.4%. This one's at 2.8% already. Now, if you haven't gotten the FSD update, that's this 2026.2.9 something. So you can see all the way back here, 2.9.5 came out on April 3rd, and then 2.9.6 came out April 7th, and then 2.9.7 came out the 14th of April, and then 2.9.8 came out on the 23rd of April, and lastly today, 2026 2.9.9 came out, and it's got 14.3.2 as well. Now, this is what you want if you want FSD 14.3. So why aren't we getting this? So first of all, there's one setting. I've talked about this before. I don't know that it really helps much, but they say to set this to advanced under software. Scroll down to the bottom, click advanced, and just make sure that's on. I don't know that it really helps much, but as you can see here, get the latest software version. It'll vary based on vehicle configurations, including hardware and geography. I don't know. I'm not sure that it really matters that much, but you should set that to advanced if you want the features early. If you don't want the versions of the features early and you don't want to deal with bugs or regressions, you may just want to leave this on standard. Now, another thing that people have said is it depends on whether your computer is computer 4 for full self-driving, and if you've got this Ryzen, which I think all the version 4s have the Ryzen on them, and it's only version 3 that could have two different processors. So that's what people are saying. Now, what I really believe this comes down to is it comes down to what your percentage is or what your mileage is. And if I had to guess, I would say it's all about the miles that you drive using full self-driving. Now, I am a daily driver more than anything. I don't do a lot of long trips, but when I retire, maybe I'll do a lot longer trips. But because I only have like almost 2,000 miles on FSD 14.2, maybe they're just pushing it out to people with more. Like I've seen people show that they have more mileage. So I'd like to see what your mileage is and what version of FSD you're still on, and comment down below and kind of provide what you can. I'd appreciate it. Maybe it'll help us solve the mystery as to why we're not getting the updates like everybody else. Now, there are people that are going to be like special YouTube people that do a lot of videos, do a lot of FSD, and they've been doing it for years, and they rightly so should get it first. But for the rest of us, we just may not be getting it because we're just not putting enough miles on our vehicle. So if you really want FSD faster, well, then you need to put a lot of miles on your car. I think that's what it really comes down to. Let me figure this out. Post in the comments below so I can understand like how many miles you've got, what version of FSD you've gotten, and maybe that will help the rest of us understand and ease our tension over not getting updates. I would love to have 14.3, any version of it, just to be trying it out and to be able to make new videos about how the new software works. But I'm not getting it either. So anyway, if you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and please comment about what you've gotten and how many miles you have. Maybe that'll help us all out. But if you're looking to buy a Tesla, you can go to qcteslaguy.com And there is a referral button at the top of the page if you are interested in buying a Tesla, and that could get you 3 free months of FSD. Now, if you haven't seen my previous video, you can click here to see my video about using navigation while on the run in FSD and trying to remove stops. It was interesting. Some things happened. And then if you want to see this video over here, this is about using navigation with Grok. And I kind of go through some single, multi-destinations, and some enhanced instructions. That's it, folks. Use technology to drive safe so that you can live life.